Next, we want to go to Payments. And here, what you want to do is click on Activate Shopify Payments, and this will enable you to connect your bank account so that you can actually get paid when somebody buys something on your store. Customers will be able to check out with all of the common options like credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and so on. Make sure when you do this, you have some kind of ID document ready, like a driver's license or a passport, to verify your identity. Now, if you want to give customers some additional payment options that are not included with Shopify Payments, you can add an additional payment method by clicking on Add Payment Method right here. So let's say you want your customers to be able to pay with cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. You can simply type in Bitcoin right here and then click on it. And here you get all of the different options on how you would be able to accept Bitcoin as payment on your store. Also, keep in mind that not all payment options are available in every region. So depending on where you are located, the options here might look a bit different.